We're back on working on my carrito. We're going for the new amp. What else do we need? That was it? That's it. And are you sure we didn't need something else? Not, right? Okay. Pues vamos.
Put them at 2 or 4 because you know how they have a switch?
They do have a switch?
Yeah. At 2 ohms, you're only going to get... Bring me a sub.
I don't know. I didn't get that.
What are we getting?
The Memphis 1500 by 1.
So instead of what?
The 800 by 5.
For what trucks again?
2014 to 2019.
Damn. That's low-key badass.
Yeah. Use that whole Tesla style.
Plug and play.
And I kind of thought something, but I was like, nah, but it's because it doesn't make sense, man. It doesn't really make sense.
He fucked up. What do you need to say? Because in the other video, you said that you're not listening to Flaco no more.
But I had to listen to him, I guess.
So basically, inside of this plaquita está el qué?
The gain.
The what?
The gain.
The gain.
Yeah.
So you just unscrew it, and it controls it. And he thought that it was just the knob that's on the side, pero no. Now we're in the bar car porque se le calentó la troca al compa.
Fuck!
Pinche troca siempre es un algo. Now we're just going for a fucking coffee for my bitch ass and for whoever's at the shop.
I'm riding around them geeks. I'm riding around them geeks. I'm back.
You got your own back?
Home back.
Account. Who the only one you trust? Hey. Yellow diamond dripping.
That's the thing that he was supposed to open. Okay, so what's the plan? These you're gonna connect to the amp that we have.
And the ones at the back.
Those you're also gonna connect to the amp.
Yeah. And then we're gonna see.
If the amp is enough.
Yeah. And if it's not, we'll just buy another amp. It sounds good, boys, already, but it just needs a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Yeah, it's not enough waste for me.
Yeah.
Let's see. There's the amp. The factory amp. The new amp.
Well, this is where you come in.
I'm gonna get the fucking wiring diagrams. Puta madre. I'll have to pay for them. I mean, it's only $20.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna see if I can find them first. Okay, what are we doing now? Look, I printed this.
The schematics. The diagram.
The wiring diagram.
The wire diagram.
Wiring.
Yeah, the wiring diagram. Okay.
Well, it's un decir because it's not a wiring diagram. It's more...
What's the...
What wire is what? I don't know what the fuck you would call this.
I guess a pinout? Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah, because it tells you everything.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So basically, let's see. Let me see it. I have to count. So what number is it? 7 and 8.
Here's 1 through 8, and here's 9 through 16.
7 and 8.
You need 7 and 8 first. Is
1, 2, 3,
where's the last
4,
two?
5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, these two. So this green, dark
Let
green,
me
or light
see.
green one.
dark green, light green. Yep, that's correct.
And then, which one is the last?
Gray and tan, or what is TN?
Yeah, 10. But now that GY. Yeah.
Gray.
Yeah.
Why it's number 13 and 14?
16.
15, 14. What did I say, 13 and 14?
Okay, that's right here, these two.
These two?
These two right here.
Yep, gray and tan, that's right. Wow.
Okay. So, cut
Wow.
them bitches off. This one is right or left?
The green ones are right. So what you gonna do?
Just wire it up real quick.
And then we're gonna put the 2 speakers?
Yeah.
And then hope it sounds amazing?
Oh, it's gonna...
Okay, so you're gonna connect those wires, put them there, and then we'll connect them over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited to put the other 2 speakers. And then that's it? And then I can actually hear it and hope it sounds how I want it to sound. Are you Don Burgos?
No, Burgitas.
No.
The small one.
So who's Don Burgos?
You.
Oh.
You the goat.
Am I?
Mm-hmm.
I know, I've been told many times that. I'm kidding. No soy tan pinche mamona, es puro pinche pedo. There, look, mi troca que no le echo nada porque valgo verga. Next project. Hopefully. What do we need to start with on that one? The engine, no? We're probably gonna buy another C10 because I don't want that chassis and Carlos wants that chassis. Because I don't want to lift it. That was the whole point of it, to lift it, but I don't want to lift it.
That was the whole point of it.
I know, but I don't want to lift it. Sorry.
Okay.
Mira, pinche overspray. Allá donde andan pintando.
It's hot.
It is in here, and then we can't even fucking open the door because they're painting right.
It sucks.
What's wrong with your veins? They're strong.
I hope so. It's time to hit the gym yesterday.
Ah, perro.
Wow. Okay. Almost done. Almost.
¿Quieres que yo haga el otro?
I mean, you should, but
Yeah,
you need to practice.
I don't like systems.
I don't care. I don't like a lot of things, but
I only like engines.
I don't like paperwork, but I have to do it.
I know how to do it.
Do you? Sure.
Yes. That's like the easy part.
Okay.
Más que pinches uñas no me dejan hacer nada.
Work smarter, not harder. Find the blade.
A mí me gusta batallar.
A lo visto.
Primero que nada.
A lo visto.
Okay.
Is that even how you say it? A lo visto?
That sounds wrong.
A la vista.
Do I even look good in the camera?
Probably not, but it's okay.
Bitch.
You don't need to look good. You don't.
I'm gonna cut it off if I don't look good.
Nah, you know you're fucking not.
The fuck I am? I'm the one in the video.
Should we turn that fan off? There's a fan right there. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Nah, then you can't hear.
Yeah, and I don't like the fan.
Who the fuck put this sticker here?
You barely noticed it?
We need to start the Maserati. I think that's going to be the next project.
No, I want to start on the C10.
That's going to be way more.
Hacemos un volado.
Hell nah.
It's going to be way more.
Let's do a vote.
A what?
Let's do a vote.
With them?
Yeah.
I'll make a poll on because you can make a poll on YouTube.
Yeah.
And I'll ask, should we start with the C10? What are we going to do to the C10?
Get it running?
Because the Maserati, obviously, we're going to do the LS swap. The C10, what engine are we going to put in
LT.
LS also? LT?
Or no, LS or LT, it doesn't matter.
Is it better to do LT on the C10?
It's that motor, that chassis, or nah, well, you see
I
what
prefer LS, but same shit. Then we're putting two LSs.
Nah, I say LT.
Why?
Just better.
Then it's not gonna be like my car.
LS is cheaper, but the only thing that's hard to come by is like the engines are more expensive.
Oh, but the Maserati we could put in LS.
Cause we're just gonna put a simple 5.3. That's
You're doing
why.
a 5.3 on
Yeah.
the Maserati?
Hell yeah, just something
Why
simple.
not a 6.2? What's the point?
Cause that's like you're talking about like a $2,000 difference, just in the engine.
Might as well spend the 2,000 more.
Nah, hell no.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's cause 5.3 is just simple. It's not gonna be
So
a
I'm
fucking
gonna do a
race.
6.2 LT on that.
Yeah.
Is
I
yours
think,
an LT?
Yeah, no, mine's a LS. You want it to be like mine, LS too? The thing is that it's easier to work on.
LT.
No, LS. Like it's the things are a little bit more cheaper.
Oh no, I fucked up. Está bien caliente.
It is.
Diles que paren de pintar. Who cares?
I care.
You do?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. It's like, what the fuck is that? Everything else is white, but those two blue spots.
It's ombre blue. I mean ombre white.
You just don't mind because that's your favorite color. That's why you don't
Yeah,
mind.
probably.
And it's
You're
like,
right.
damn, they just matched the calipers with the doors.
The whole building. The whole building is blue, and I told Carlos, nah, I fucking love it now. I like it more. And he's like, it's ugly. I'm like,
Nah, it's not ugly. It just looks weird.
why?
It's a weird combo. I don't know.
It's blue. I like blue though.
Yeah.
I love blue, so.
I guess.
Negative is the one on the right.
Mm-hmm. Stick it all the way in. Hold it in. No.
One by one?
Yes.
Yo siempre quiero hacer las cosas a los
no.
pendejos.
No, that's not even the one.
Don't you think I was gonna figure it out?
You see, you know it. You just don't want to do it. That's what sucks.
I already told you what I like to do.
It doesn't matter.
You've done systems half your life.
Yeah, doesn't mean I like to do it. I'm not gonna say,
like
oh,
to
I
do
love it. I just do it because we need to do it.
Wow.
Nah, I kind of like to do it. I don't mind doing it, I guess. I don't know if I like it. I don't know.
No, I don't think you like it. What do you like then?
Sleep, food.
How about cars? Like, you know I like working on engines more than anything. I'm kidding for real.
Nah, you
I'm
see,
fucking kidding. I'm
you're
fucking kidding. Wait, I'm fucking kidding.
Nah. Oh. Which one, left and right? So lift the screen. Right here.
You remember which one's positive and negative?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, really?
Mm-hmm. Dark green. Dark green. It's negative. How do I know? How do I know?
There's no good lighting in here because we can't even open the dock doors. A ver si se escucha ya mejor. So, that shit is not playing the highs? That's what you call it? Let me show you. So, you see how the speaker, you can hear it. But the ones we put in, you can't hear shit.
I'm back to not listening to Flaco.
Why?
Good ones, no.
We don't have splicers.
No, I don't. I told you we need to go see him. It's okay.
Are you sure we don't even have some laying around? Should I check?
Yeah, check.
Okay, first spot I check. Oh, I know where we're gonna have some. I bet you.
50 bucks?
Please, please, please. No. Fuck! I bet $50. Where's the other one? Please, don't. That's all?
Nope. Sorry.
I'm gonna find two, way.
No.
Just to not lose $50. You see? Okay, I won. Yeah. But you were supposed to let me look for them.
No, it's okay.
Thank you. So kind. Dun, 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 dun. You think he's wrong?
I feel like he's wrong, but then again, I could be wrong. I've been wrong today.
I hope he's not wrong just because I'm tired of going in circles. Why are you wearing this shirt, sir?
Because I didn't do laundry.
Wow. Wow, traitor. Traitor.
You can't even see.
Yeah, you can. I'm not gonna say it, but I bet you they'll guess it. Let's go. You have everything connected? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. So he was right?
Money Man getting the job done.
Ahora sí, compa.
Así, compa Chuy.
Okay, so the 2 speakers that we're gonna put in the back, we just gotta make the holes, plop them in, wire them,
Yep.
run the wire back here, yeah?
Basically. Zip ties too.
We're going to zip tie right now.
We need that. Probably need speaker too. More speaker wire actually too. Let's go this way.
We don't have any?
No. Just 'cause.
No, mames, si lo con uña. It works smarter, not harder. It's okay, we can put it back on. Look, the circle's perfect. Look how much it took me to cut that in there. Look.
You don't have to cut all of it out though. I don't want you to cut all of it out.
What the fuck? Bring me the speaker? So you want it till here?
Yeah.
So uncomfortable in here?
I told you, get out and do it. Literally said that.
Yeah, no mames. You got it? Faster than me, bitch. Yep.
I have enough to do 3. 3 and 3.
All because these are all the ones we have?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes, unfortunately.
Well, then just do 2 and 2.
No, we just do 3.
Okay. Open it. A la madre. Okay. Let it go. Oh, hopefully it stays. Go. Oh, there. Like so, like that. I don't know if it's mine or yours. It doesn't want to pack in.
No fudge packing.
Wow. Ya mero. Ya mero hay tacos. Todavía no hay tacos.
Tacos. Let me see that. Oh, shit.
Wow. Nice. Now I gotta pass this fucking cable for the knob thingy, which is already through here. Así, todo lado. You've been busy, is that what you said?
Yeah, just been busy.
I'm gonna double-side it, and he doesn't want me to double-side it. But I'm gonna double-side it. Worst case, if it does fall, I'll just screw it. But I hate screwing these shits in. Okay. Like that. Yeah, what? Ya quedó por fin. And then we've been bumping it like to try to like level it, and my head is starting to hurt. It's too much music now. Let me show y'all.
Nunca me gusta matar gente y se siente